Hello, trading has closed on November 11th, 2013. I'm Jeffrey Tennant, and I'd like to discuss today's stock market. Today was a holiday in the United States, and the market acted like it. It didn't do very much all day long. We did have a mejt target of 1761.87 minus. We came nowhere near it. We'll write it down with reasonable confidence. It will print at some point and could be significant when it does. Based on factors outside the system, I said the ideal for the bulls would be a gap over recent highs. The ideal for the bears would have been a sharp gap down. Neither one happened. We didn't have the ideal situation for either party, and neither party won. mejt gave a few signals today. It said here this move would not stick. It didn't, but it didn't amount to much. We have two targets from today's trading, 1772.15 plus and 1770.79 minus. Both targets are optional, meaning we've come close enough so they don't have to print, but they almost always do. And it wouldn't surprise me if we had a slight whipsaw tomorrow and we saw each of those two targets. I still think we have a chance to see the 1761.87 minus target tomorrow, although the system doesn't require it to print. Well, that's what the system says. I like to use things outside the system when I can. We have a long, narrow intraday consolidation. These things have a tendency to be a fourth wave of some degree, and typically the narrower this range is, the shorter the ensuing wave 5 is. I'm not an Elliott wave person, but if this count works, we have waves 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if it works, we'll have a short wave 5 and then start a decline. And that's what I think is the most likely thing to happen tomorrow. End of analysis.